Big issue he talked about was the opioid epidemic, which has already been described as one of the worst public health crises this country has seen in decades. Now, for example, back in 2015, 50,000 Americans died in opioid-related deaths. That's more than people who were killed in car crashes or from gun deaths. Now, here in Arizona, just this year, since June, we've seen over 700 deaths and over 900 reported overdoses. This according to Arizona state health officials. Now, during his speech this afternoon, the governor talked about the fact that 75% of heroin addicts started on opioids. The governor has already taken some steps to fight this problem when he issued an emergency declaration back in June. Now, that declaration limited initial prescription fills to just 5 days and also started cracking down on doctor shopping. But now the governor will call a special session of the legislature, one that runs concurrent with the regular session that opened today, to enact tougher laws on what he describes as, quote, the bad actors in this crisis.
Let's pass a bill. Those reckless enough to put lives on the line by driving the wrong way on our highways under the influence of drugs or alcohol should face a felony conviction and prison time. No exceptions.
Now, I should also say that we'll get more details on this opioid-related plan. That was the governor there actually talking about another plan of his to crack down on wrong-way drivers. But we should be getting more on this opioid plan sometime next week. And the governor also spoke a lot about education, probably the most closely watched issue in the state this year. And we'll have more details about what he had to say about that and how he plans to address that problem coming up at 6:30.